Good morning, wildlife watchers. Welcome back for an all-new safari vlog adventure. I'm Jeff, your favorite safari holic, and in today's video, I'm taking you to Zimbabwe. This is going to be my first time in Zimbabwe, and hopefully yours too. The goal is to get from here to the Victoria Falls River Lodge in Zambezi National Park. The journey starts here on the Chobe Princess, where we just spent the last 2 nights. This cruise experience has been marvelous. We saw a ton of wildlife on the riverbanks of Chobe National Park. One of the highlights was finding a leopard and tracking it for about half an hour along the river. If you haven't watched the safari vlogs from this cruise experience, don't forget to watch those too. So the journey today starts technically in Namibia. Although we have Botswana on one side of the river and Namibia on the other, this cruise line operates out of Namibia. So to get from here to Zimbabwe, we do have a few steps to clear first. We're going to get off the boat, clear immigration in Namibia, cross into Botswana, and then cross into Zimbabwe. This might sound like a complicated process, but it's actually been very seamless and straightforward. Shout out to the BHS Safari Company, one of my favorite tour operators in Southern Africa, who's held my hand through all of these steps. They have made the transfer process for the safari completely stress-free. Every single time I've gotten off a plane or a boat or another transfer, there has been someone there waiting for me. So thanks to them for making that process very seamless and being such a great group to work with for my safari clients. So I'm going to show you what this experience is like, take you along with me. Goodbye, Chobe Princess, it's been real. Now let's go to Zimbabwe. Thank you again. All right, we're coming up to the Namibia immigration office. Just took the smaller boat to the shore and walked 5 minutes to here. We're gonna stamp out, return to the boat, cross the river, and then stamp into Botswana. Goodbye, Namibia. Hello again, Botswana. Long time no see.
So you can just go inside the immigration there?
Now at the Botswana immigration office.
So in the meantime, please fill in those forms.
Okay, my shuttle to Victoria Falls River Lodge. All right, looks like it's just me. Maybe we're picking up some more people on the way, I'm not sure. But I have plenty of seats to choose from. Immigration was very smooth.
You're traveling alone?
I am, yes. Am I the only one in the vehicle today?
The only one, yes.
Wow, I got lots of space. I really should know my passport number by now, because I've been filling out these forms all day.
Some small scale farming here.
Very quiet today, it looks like.
Yeah, very quiet, but there's a group here.
Alright, now we're leaving Botswana. Just stamped out of Botswana, that was really easy. The immigration officer didn't even say a word, he just grabbed this and stamped it.
Okay, you can quickly come out and start with this window here.
It only took about 5 minutes and we're all clear. Welcome to Zimbabwe. Okay, 70 kilometers, about 45 minutes in the car till we're at the lodge. That air conditioning feels good.
Oh, aircon is...
Elephant crossing. Now we're in Zambezi National Park.
Yes, now you're in Zambezi National Park.
Here we go. Looks like we're about to hop that boat. I hear a hippo. Hi. Oh, fun. This is for the Palm Hotel.
Exactly.
Do you see this often?
Not very often.
Wow. Whoa. This is a dream sighting. How amazing. What a greeting. Wow. This is so fun to watch. I'm having fun watching the elephants have fun.
Yeah, elephants are very playful. Every time you see them, they're up to something.
All right, here we are. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the island.
Thank you.
Very good. How was the football ride?
It was fantastic.
Thank you.
The elephants were out.
Thank you so much. Welcome to for you.
Thank you. All right, to the room we go.
Was it?
It was fun. I think I've been on a total of 3 boats today.
Wow. Island is because of these trees.
Yeah, it's a tropical oasis on this island.
There's a palm tree because of the elephant favorite fruit.
Oh yes, I'll be back.
And maybe stay more days on the island.
Yeah. What a cool design.
Thank you. All right. Please welcome to your new home.
Thank you.
All right. After you, sir.
Wow.
You like it?
I do. I love my new home. Look at that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Great view of the river.
Thank you.
Oh, what's this?
Okay, let me show you. After you.
A pool?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now that is
So that's
nice.
A plunge pool.
A plunge pool.
It's a plunge pool, so it's all yours.
Wow.
Over there, mostly we do have some hippos that likes to pop out from that area.
Okay.
So sometimes if you like sitting here, you can always see some hippos popping out.
Wow. And there's more.
So welcome to your
Wow, my rooftop
your
terrace.
roof for our guests.
So you can sleep up here if you want?
Absolutely.
Really?
Very nice. So if you pull up this is your mini bar. There's some milk, local beers, Zambezi.
Ah. I cannot believe this place. I'm processing so much. How do you just wake up on a boat cruise and end up here? I love the safari life. No offense, but you look puny next to Victoria Falls. The view of the Zambezi River. Epic. All of this water is flowing towards Victoria Falls, which is just a few kilometers away. This room is beyond. I feel so anxious because I only have one night here and I want to maximize all the amenities. I want to maximize this room. I need to take a shower and a bath and a plunge. Ugh. I need to look at the telescope. Ooh, dried mango. This is a great time to mention that if you want to stay in beautiful lodges like this anywhere in Africa, reach out to me. As a safari travel advisor, I have the keys to the safari kingdom. I love including beautiful properties like this in client itineraries. Reach out to me. You can find my safari inquiry in the description below. If you want to go to Zimbabwe, visit Victoria Falls, let me put you up in a place like this. Did you like the dried mango just as much as I did? All right, so we arrived safely and we've worked up a good appetite from all that travel and all that excitement from checking into the room. It's time to go grab lunch. It is shoulder season, so there are very few guests staying here. But even if it was fully booked, there's only 6 rooms, so definitely very exclusive. Hey, I'm glad you're joining me for lunch, because otherwise I'd be alone. Fish burger lunch with zucchini fries. Oh, topped with some espresso.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna have to have some more, just to be sure my clients will be okay with this. Going in. Okay, everyone, it's just about time for the sunset boat cruise. But before we go, I want to show you what's in this little kit. The lodge has supplied some very handy things, such as sunscreen, insect repellent, which I put a lot of this on, face mist. What exactly is this for? Do I just mist my face and then what happens? I don't know, it sounds fancy. And then lip balm. My bathroom drawers back home are filled with just tons of these small Lodge branded toiletries from all over Africa. Okay, let's go on the Zambezi River, shall we? For sun protection on my head and face, I'm putting on this BHS Safari Essentials sun hat. This was built for safari boat cruises. My outfit screams safari. It does not get more safari than this.
So I shouted, stay with me, until he was like from here to the end of the boat. Welcome all your questions, and this is the Zambezi River, the 4th longest in Africa, after now Congo, Niger, and then the Zambezi River.
Heaps of rocks up there. And then
There's resources.
yeah.
Goodbye, sun.
There we go. Expertly done.
I heard the bar has the best sunset view. Whoa. Wow.
It's really nice.
Well, everyone, that's a wrap on another epic day in Africa. Thanks so much for joining me for this adventure. If you want to follow along for more safari vlogs like this one, don't forget to hit subscribe. One last reminder that I'm a safari travel advisor and I can plan your entire trip if you reach out to me. Okay, I've plugged myself enough in this vlog. Hopefully you get the point. Tomorrow, we're going to the one, the only, the iconic Victoria Falls. This is the natural feature that brought me here in the first place. You don't want to miss all the fun. Follow along for more, and I'll see you next time.